Hi guys, so for today's video, this is actually the piece I'm gonna unbox today for you. This is probably the #1 piece that I really wanted from the Louis Vuitton NBA collab. This was the one that shipped last. As you've seen in my previous video, I received the duffel bag, the pocket organizers, and the multiple wallet, and that all came in first. But this one, I got scared because it didn't ship yet, and I was like, oh my god, what if I don't get it because there's not enough, produced. But anyways, here it is. It came in today in the mail. I'm gonna unbox it if you haven't seen it yet. I'm super excited. Let's see. Okay, so whenever you order from Louis Vuitton, they always have this kind of box. It's Louis Vuitton on it. Okay, it came in a really big box. I didn't think it was that big, but let's see. So this is the receipt, as you know. Okay, let's see. Ooh. So here's the box it came in. It's kind of damaged in the corner. I don't know if it's from shipping. It could be. To be honest, Louis Vuitton needs to step up their packaging when they're delivering products to the customer. Basically put some sort of like bubble wrap around it so that way it protects the box, because we're paying money for this and the box always comes in broken, ripped, or damaged every time. But it is what it is. So let's get into it. Oh, so they made a really big box, but here's the inside. So this is how big the product is. Like they couldn't even tie my box together. They just threw the ribbon and this little card together. Oh well. But anyways, so here's the dust bag. And oh my god, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. You see this? I think I'm obsessed. But when I saw this half, the gold chain, I was like, I need to get my hands on this, like no doubt. So it is monogram, it is a coated canvas per usual. Handle is blue, and as I mentioned in my previous video, the color scheme that was predominant in this collection is blue, red, and white. So the handle is blue, the little tab right here is red, and it has gold hardware, and once again, it has a gold heat stamp. And it has the white trimming, of course, which I'm kind of happy that this doesn't have that much white on it, because I hate the color white on bags, wallets, and stuff. I love white shoes, white shirts, white clothes, but it just gets dirty way too fast. The zipper is gold, but it is white as well. The gold chain, obviously. Here's the NBA logo. Let's open up and see the inside of this bag. Okay, see, at least like the products, they put these bubble wrap or air thingies in there. I don't know what you call these. This is what they should put in the boxes when they ship it. But the interior is all blue. Oh, there we go. I didn't want to bend the bag. But if you can tell, it's made in France. Do a close up. This is a pretty good size. I can tell it actually could hold a decent amount of stuff. If you need to hold, if you're a female and you bought this, you could definitely hold makeup stuff. If you're a guy, you could definitely hold all your necessities, your phone. You could fit a long wallet in here. You could put in a portable charger. And there's actually another interior pocket inside as well. That you could travel with this. And since this is like a toiletry kit, this would be actually perfect if you were traveling on a plane. So they call this the NBA Monogram Cloakroom Dopp kit. So if you're traveling, this would be perfect to have on you. So that way, some people like to go to the bathroom before they land on a flight to brush their teeth or, do whatever it is that you need to do in the bathroom in the plane. This could hold everything that you need. So this is the Louis Vuitton NBA collection, and this piece is actually called the Monogram Cloakroom Dopp kit. I'm not quite sure why it's called a Cloakroom Dopp kit. It's pretty much a toiletry pouch. If you know why it's called a Cloakroom Dopp kit, or maybe I just didn't do enough research, comment down below why. I'm actually really curious. Guys, thank you for watching again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe down below and comment and like this video. It really helps. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.